My name is Tina Eisen and I'm a beauty and fashion photographer based in the UK. I've been shooting commercial and editorial work for about 9 years. Up until now I have used Profoto mains-powered monolights, which have been great for studio environments, and I have recently started introducing the A1s into my setup. I've used portable on-camera flashes before, but when I got my hands on the A1, the main thing that struck me was the big, even, round spread of light. I was so impressed. Today I set myself the challenge to create an editorial consisting of 6 creative beauty setups in one day and with only 2 Profoto A1s. I organized a 6-look shoot combining the Spring/Summer 2018 trends and my love of everything floral. I came up with different light setups for each of these scenes, using a mix of modifiers to help me achieve a unique feel for each one. I experimented with different umbrellas, gels, diffusers and bonnets. I love how easy it is to interchange the modifiers. Some of them literally just snap onto a magnetic mount. Done. For me, a picture comes to life when there's nice catch lights in a model's eyes. It really helps the viewer to connect with an image. We discovered so many exciting locations and props on the day, and due to the small size and portability of the A1, I was able to move around and change sets super easily. One thing that always throws me off shooting outdoors is rapidly changing light conditions. Being able to control the A1 by air remote makes changes quick and pain-free. Another thing I didn't have to worry about all day was the battery. After 8 hours of shooting, the battery life seemed hardly touched. Using 2 A1s rather than just one enabled me to work with the conditions that were already there while putting my own creative lighting style into these images. It was such a nice feeling that we could just hop from location to location and include some London landmarks and not have to worry about carrying big light heads or even stands. Today went amazing. The pictures straight out of camera were even better than I could have imagined. I'm really excited about these images and I can't wait to show them to the team.